How to start a TikTok shop. First is to open a tab and search for TikTok shop. Then select the first result that will show, which is this TikTok shop seller sign up. Make sure that you see this sign up on this box. So input your mobile number, or you could also use your email and your password. After you've input them, click the sign up button. After signing up, you will then be directed to this page. So here you have to select what business type you have, whether individual or corporate business type. So in this box, type in the name for your shop. So for the type of identification, you can click this drop down arrow button and select the type of identification that you want to use. And then in here, you have to upload the file of that identification. So in this area, you have to input your phone number and then enter the verification code that will be sent to your phone number. Once you're done, you have to click this box stating that you are agreeing to the TikTok advertising terms and TikTok payment terms, and then click the submit button. And now after clicking the submit button, this prompt will appear confirming your information. So once the information are all correct, you can click the confirm button